Then here's a detailed look of the battery right here, just in case you forget where things are. We have a breather hose on the negative terminal, positive side's over there, just so you have an idea of where everything is. What's up everyone? Today we're going to go ahead and replace a battery on a Cts-v from 2016 to 2019. This should also work for the Ct-5Vs from current production year for the blackwings and the Vs specifically. For our V8 models, it should be working, you know, for the other vehicles as well, for the lower models, but this one is specifically for the blackwings and V series V8 supercharged. So right here I got a replacement plus, so this one is a AC Delco gold, so it has an extended warranty, free battery replacement within it. I think 60 months. 850 cold cranking amps, 140 and 80 amps. This one is 730 cold cranking amps, so big jump right there compared to this one, and honestly it needs it on those cold days. And hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Quick PSA, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I have a lot of people tuning into the channel. I really appreciate it. What would help even more is if you hit that sub button. I'm trying to grow the channel to hit my first 1,000 subs. I want to keep going as I have a lot of content in mind for all the builds in this photo right here. And I have other couple in the back burner that you might have seen on other videos or on my social media pages. Thank you for everyone that's been supporting along the way. Drop comments of what you want to see as well. Anything that may be of use. As usually, I try to do stuff that's resourceful, but as well, I like sharing with you all the other builds that's going on. But thank you so much, guys. If you do want to see anything else, let me know. It's time for a replacement. So let's get started. And basically remove anything from the trunk that doesn't need to be there. And we're going to remove this tire cover. Now you will have to remove these little brackets right here. The bolt size is one underneath the T45, so this one's a T40. If it's never been removed before, it'll be pretty hard, but fairly easy to get once you break it loose. And then you want to pop this out little by little. This whole side's gonna have to come out somehow in order to access the battery. So I removed this clip, and then there's one over there. I don't know if you can see that. Basically to get all this, and then it's held with some elastic, it feels like, and maybe some clips in the back. Not sure exactly. We're gonna find out though. Let me just try to remove it out. Pain in the butt. Just to get to the battery that we haven't even started yet. Alright, so come find out, you don't have to remove this. This could stay. This has to go to get to these clips. I'm removing these and I'm just going to replace them with brand new ones. This isn't a problem. These were actually really strong, so that's cool. And then this is kind of the inside of the Cts-v. Alright, let's go ahead and remove the negative terminal first, as well as anything else. Alright. Now for the positive side, you remove this. I just got a flathead, pull the pin out on this bracket right here. On this back side, there's push clips that you just push in. Now this cover comes off. Now I forgot to mention, both screws are 10 mil, so let's remove this one. Can open this a little bit, just a little bit. Yep. Gonna remove this right now just because I don't know how this thing comes out. I'm assuming it comes out with these two brackets. We'll find out right now. I'll just do. Well, there we go. Removed it. Remember where everything goes. Obviously this is negative side, breathers on negative side, so move that breather. You're gonna want to save that for later. Another bracket down there. Looks like this one's a 13 as well, so that's good. All right, so now I loosened this. When you put it back in, you want to be careful with this, these fuses or these lines, and go from there. There we go. Now slide it. Careful with that. Before I start anything, removing that. Let me clip this in just so it's secure. I want to track this as well because it's AGM. I went in there, these hooks right here. And to get this in, I just stretched it out. Just go right here. Just mocking everything for now. Well, I wouldn't know what else to call it. You want to plug in your breather. As well as put this nice thing on. See that spark right there. Make sure. And sorry, my camera died, but remember to have a door open or a door locked during this time, just because what could happen is your security feature on the vehicle might mess it up. You might have an alarm go off when you try to remove the battery as a safety feature. So now we're going to test it. There you go. Installed. Good to go. Turns on a lot easier now. That's the battery part number right there. And the code cranking amps. Then you just put everything back to normal. And that's basically it. That's how you change your battery. Thank you for watching this how-to video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Just work everything out the way we did it the first time. Put it back in and you'll be good to go. If you need to, gaskets go over. That's pretty much it. And then if you need Velcro or elastics, you can add that as well. This side hangs low because it broke. So I just need new clips. But thank you guys. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.